today I am preparing some chicken drumsticks in garlic and lemon juice. These comes out delicious, and I know that you and your family will love and will enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have onion, bell pepper, lemons, lemon pepper seasoning, garlic cloves, parsley, salt, rotannelli, pasta, and of course, the star are my chicken drumsticks. I am so ready to start, so let's get started. Okay, I have my chicken drums here. I'm gonna start by rinsing them out and cleaning them one by one. We want to make sure that we clean the skin and we take away the excessive fat of the chicken thighs. So I'm going to go ahead and clean every single one. This is the last one of my chicken drumsticks. And right now I'm going to wash my hands very good because we don't want to contaminate the rest of our ingredients. Okay, this is done. Let me show you how they look, nice and clean. Okay, I have my drumsticks here. I'm going to go ahead, put them aside, and I'm going to start with my baking dish. To my baking dish, I'm going to add just a little bit of vegetable oil right on the bottom just to cover it just slightly, just so that my drumsticks do not stick to the bottom of my baking dish. I'm going to go ahead and make 3 cuts to the drumsticks, very deep. Just make sure that they are very deep so all the ingredients, everything goes in completely. Look at this, just like that. Okay, these are done, and I'm gonna reserve them aside, and I'm gonna start with my lemons. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my lemons, and I'm gonna juice them. So I'm gonna make sure that I juice them very good. These are organic lemons from my yard. Right now, what I'm going to do, these lemons do have seeds, so I just want to make sure that I juice them all completely in a little bowl. And they do have a lot of juice. Look at this. Just half of one. Look how much it gave me. Okay, this is my last lemon, and I am ready just to finish with this one. And it's about half a cup of lemon juice. I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to go ahead and drain it through here just to make sure that no seed go into the dish, into my chicken. I'm going to go ahead and drain it very, very good. And then I'm ready to start adding my spices. I have my garlic cloves here. I'm going to start dicing them. We're going to dicing them completely. Make sure that they're very tiny, very small pieces, because the garlic is going to give such a delicious flavor. The smaller they are, the better. So I'm just dicing it very good, and I'm going to go ahead and just add it to my drumsticks. Slowly, just add them all over the place. We want to make sure that all the drumsticks are really covered with that garlic. I love garlic, my friends. That's why I added so much garlic. To this, I'm going to start adding my lemon pepper seasoning, just like this. Just make sure that every single drumstick has lemon seasoning. And I'm going to add my parsley. The parsley gives it such a beautiful flavor and color. I'm going to go ahead and add the parsley. Make sure that we soak all the drumsticks right in the lemon juice, and everything is nice and coated. I have preheated my oven to 450 Fahrenheit, and they're gonna go for 45 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead, cover it with foil paper. 30 minutes, when they're in the oven for 30 minutes, I'm gonna uncover them. Here I have my water boiling for my pasta. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. To this, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt. And then I am ready to add my pasta. My pasta is only gonna cook for a couple minutes. When it's al dente, then it's ready. Right now, I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna continue with my onion. I'm only using half an onion, and we are going to just cut it in half, reserve one half, and the other we're just gonna cut it in juliennes, nice and thin. After you cut them, we're just gonna separate and make sure that we separate every single strand and everything is nice and separated. I have a little dish on my side where I'm gonna add all my onion. Let me put it in there. Okay, I have my bell pepper here. I'm gonna go ahead and slice it. And then after I slice it, I'm gonna cut it in little squares. This is done. I'm gonna reserve it on my plate. And let me show you how everything is nicely and incorporated here. Okay, this is done. Okay, my pasta has been cooking for about 10 minutes. It's nice al dente. I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter. And as soon as the butter dissolves, we're gonna go ahead and add our parsley right on the top, and then we're gonna mix it just a little bit. And then I'm gonna add the rest of the parsley right on the top. Okay, look at this. This is everything you need. My friends, I wanted to show you from close-up how my pasta looks. Look at this. I am checking my chicken. It's been covered for 30 minutes. This is the time when I'm gonna uncover it. And look at this. What I'm going to do is add my veggies. I'm gonna add my veggies right on the top, and I'm gonna put it one more time in the oven so everything cooks slowly and the drumsticks get nice and crispy. So I'll see you back when I'm taking this out of the oven. In it goes. My friends, I just got it out of the oven. Look at this. Look how delicious they look. They're nice and crispy from the top. And I am so ready for the presentation because I really want to taste my delicious recipe. I'll see you in a little bit. My friends, I am done with my recipe and I am so ready to taste this chicken drumsticks and garlic and lemon and the pasta. I added some pasta to combine the chicken, and I am so ready to taste it. I have here oil with chili oil. And you know I love spicy food, and I am so ready to taste it. Let's see how this came out. Oh my God, it looks amazing. My home smells amazing. Excuse me. Very delicious. The chicken, it's so tender and moist from the inside. The garlic and the lemon gave it such a delicious flavor. This is just delicious, my friend. I hope, my friend, that you can make this at home and enjoy this recipe like I enjoy it here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, my friends, you are notified. I want to say thank you so much for offering me your time, for playing my video and watching it from start to end. I really do appreciate it. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best, peace and love. And I will stay enjoying my delicious drumsticks in garlic lemon. Bye-bye.